Is Alight Motion throwing you a link verification failed error, stopping you dead in your creative tracks? Don't worry, we're here to troubleshoot and get you back to editing in under 2 minutes. Alright, first things first, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is key to verifying links, so make sure you are connected to a secure Wi-Fi network or have sufficient mobile data signal. Toggle your Wi-Fi off and back on. This forces your device to reconnect and can often resolve connectivity glitches if you're using mobile data. Ensure data saver is disabled for Alight Motion. Next up, let's try clearing Alight Motion's cache. Go to your phone settings, find apps or application manager. Locate Alight Motion, then tap on storage. Select clear cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your projects. It just removes temporary files. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try force stopping the app in the same app settings menu. Tap force stop. This closes the app completely, ensuring it restarts fresh when you reopen it. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Alight Motion. This guarantees you're running the latest version and clears any potentially corrupted files that may be causing the verification issue. After reinstalling, try importing your link again. Hopefully, this time, the verification will succeed, and you can access your project without any hiccups. If problems continue, check Alight Motion server status online or consider reaching out to their support team. And that's it. You're now equipped to tackle the link verification failed error in Alight Motion. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more Alight Motion tips and tricks. Happy editing!